Good day, good day, good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is MrShaa, guys. I'm back again, guys, with another tutorial of Pancakeswap. Many people, guys, have been actually struggling in terms of how to swap tokens using this decentralized exchange called Pancakeswap. So, guys, I'm quickly gonna show you using my computer. You can always follow the same steps, even if you are using your phone or buying through or swapping through Trust Wallet or through MetaMask. It's up to you. Anything that works for you guys, it's all good. It's all good. I'm not gonna be talking more about the whole exchange, what it does, what is it that you will find from where, and all those kind of things. I'm just going to show you guys how to swap the tokens. It's very important. So once you get into Pancakeswap exchange, guys, this is actually the screen that you're going to see. And then after you see the screen, what you need to do, guys, you simply need to go to trade, right? And trade, you simply go to exchange, right? And then once it opened the exchange, guys, you just have to know that this is where everything happens, guys. This is where everything happens. You swap the tokens here, as you can see, BNB, and then you see also the Cake token right there, which is also the token of Pancakeswap. So I'll simply go to CoinGecko. I'm CoinGecko. I'll simply come and copy the contract I'm going to be using, Chimsinu, for example. Now, once I do that, I have to make sure that I always have a balance on my BNB or smart chain right there. Now, once I have that, what I need to do, I simply need to come and click here. And once I click here, I simply come on search and paste the address that I have copied. I hope, guys, you're following. And then once I paste that address, guys, you can see the address. There it is. It says, I'm quite sure that it's still loading or trying to search and all those kind of things. It will actually reflect any moment from now. It has to reflect there so that we can be able to add this token into this platform or maybe, yeah, into this platform and also into my wallet. So let's just give it some time as it continues to search. Let me do this, guys. Maybe I made a mistake. Yeah, I think I made a mistake. So I'm simply going to say paste. Okay, and then immediately you will see the chips in, and then I import, right? And then I'm gonna say I understand, and then click import, right? And then it is done. You can see the token there. It is actually reflecting. So when I want to swap, I simply come and then do this, guys. I'll simply come and then make sure that Chims Inu is on top and BNB is here. Actually, this is when I'm selling, right? But when I want to swap my BNB to Chims Inu, I will simply have to come, and if you can, for example, if I can simply put 0.5 here, right? You will see this is the number of the tokens that I'm going to get, right? So if I had maybe 0.5 balance on BNB, I was simply going to click I was going to say insufficient swap. I mean, it's an insufficient balance, but it was simply going to give me these tokens. If maybe I had BNB here, I was simply going to come here and then I was going to swap my tokens. That's how easily you do this thing, guys. But also for the last thing that I need to show you guys also is how to do the slippage. You simply click this icon here, which is actually for settings, and you simply come here to open the screen for you. It depending on the project. If the project they are saying that for example, maybe the slippage is 10%, you simply have to come and put 10% there, right? Immediately when you put 10% here, you can see here also it also put that 10%. If you put 20%, it simply does the same thing. It's also put the same 20%. I mean, if you're putting the 20%, it will also put the 20% here. So depending on what the project is saying, this is actually where you change the slippage, and this is actually how you do the swapping of the token. So if I want to sell my tokens right here, I simply come and click here and then make sure that this chips is on top, BNB is on top. So I'm going to swap these tokens to BNB. Simply as that, guys. My name is MrShaa, the crypto guy. I wanted to show you guys how to swap these tokens and how to use this actually Pancakeswap decentralized exchange. Until I see you on the next one, much love. I'm off.